Composite insulation panel production line. The equipment is composed of premix system, mixing system, panel making machine, panel cutting machine. The premix system is composed of screw conveyor, powder metering and mixing, etc. Mixing system by screw conveying, powder, water metering, first mixing, secondary mixing. Panel making machine. It is composed of EPS, XPS panel loading machine, panel turnover machine, mesh cloth laying, scraping device. Mesh cloth cutting, panel come out device, etc. Panel cutting machine is composed of panel loading machine, longitudinal cutting, transverse cutting, manipulator automatic stacking machine. Sand, cement and other raw materials through screw conveyor feeding into the metering system, then to the horizontal mixer, after mixing evenly into the storage bin, then through bucket elevator into the storage bin during production, through screw conveyor, powder metering into the mixer, water through water metering into the mixer, after water metering, cement, water and additives mixing evenly feeding into the production line, the automatic panel loading machine, send the EPS, XPS core board into the production line automatically through cement mortar, hanging mesh cloth, scraping, cement layer thickness can be 1 mm thick, mesh cloth cutting, then panel come out. Under natural conditions, curing 8 to 10 hours, slightly different depending on local conditions. The cured panel go into the production line again. After turning over, then lay the cement mortar to the panel other side, curing 8-10 hours again. After curing, the panel go into the cutting machine for longitudinal cutting, transverse cutting, trimming and manipulator automatic stacking. Function: automatic trimming of semi-finished panel.